Now we will have a look at the lock. This is the door lock of the Ford. Now we have a look at the construction of the picture. This is our tool. This is the lock blade. This is the lock pin. Now I will explain for you. This one is the number 4th lock blade. When you put our tooth into lock, we can have a look at the number 4th lock blade. The lock pin is just in the deep groove, so you don't need to turn again. From this picture, we also can know that the number 4th lock blade has another function. It is you can turn the lock cylinder. This is the 3rd lock blade. The number 1 and number 2 lock blade is same as the number 3 lock blade. Now we just explain the number 3 lock blade. We can have a look at the 3rd lock blade. Now the lock pin is in the shallow groove, so you need to turn again. From this picture, after you turn the tool, the lock pin, you can see now is in the deep groove. It is the active position. So after all the lock pins are in the deep groove, then the lock can be opened. And also I will explain the construction of the lock braid. I need to explain that only the 4th lock blade has one groove. It is the deep groove, and also we call it active position. And another 3 is same as this. All of them will have 4 grooves, but only one groove is deep groove and its active position. For the number 1, 2, 3 lock blade, the difference is that the deep groove will be in the different place. After all of these lock blades, the lock pin in the deep groove, then the lock can be opened.